Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Stash account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Stash application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in app.stash.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official login interface of Stash. If you already have the account, you can log into your account. But if you want to create the account, simply click on this option, create account. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. From here you'll be able to sign up for your Stash account. All you have to do is enter your email and password over here, or you can also continue with Google or continue with Apple. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to open the account with email, so click on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now after you enter the email address, click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must contain at least one lowercase letter, at least one capital letter, at least one number and at least 8 characters. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, click on this option, create account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in order to get started, what you have to do is simply enter your phone number over here. Click on the field of phone number. Now enter the phone number. You have to enter the valid phone number over here. Now after you enter a valid phone number, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the one-time verification code. Simply enter the verification code sent to your phone number. After doing that, you'll also have to select the citizenship status. Also, you have to fill in the information regarding your residential address. Along with that, you'll be required to fill other informations as well. So simply follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Stash account. So that is how you create Stash account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.